Jump ball between Ardain and Samson. Nakuha ni Vega. No. Leanio. Pass to Lopez. Lopez. Good for 2 points. Lopez. Pass to Vega. Pass to Saludes. Back to Vega. Vega setting a play. Shot clock 17. Pass to Parlero. Kinain ang ball. Nakuha ni Samson. Pass to Lopez. Lopez. Drive. Jump. No good. Nakuha ni Masinas. No good. Rebound by Samson. There's a foul. Who's fouled? Jersey number 17. Samson. First personal foul. First team foul. Saludes. Pass to Vega. Pass to Lasis. Back to Vega. Shot clock 13. Vega drives. Jump. No good. Rebound by Samson. Pass to Leanio. Leanio. Nagmamadali. Drives. Nabitawan ang bola. Nakuha ni Ardain. Steal by good for 2 points. Basket count. Lopez. Ardain. First personal foul. First team foul. Bonus shot toward the 2. Lopez. Last 3 minutes and 57 and 54 seconds. No good. Saludes. 3 minutes and 50 seconds. Saludes. Pass to Vega. Shot clock 15. Pass to Parlero sa press. No good. Rebound by Reynacia. Pass to Masinas. 20 seconds shot clock. Last 3 minutes and 30 seconds. Reynacia sa press. No good. Rebound by Ardain. Pass to Vega. Shot clock 17. Vega. Pass to Parlero. Back to Vega sa gitna. Pass to Ardain. Shot clock 11. Ardain. No good. Rebound by Samson. Pass to Leanio. Leanio harassed by Vega. Steal by Vega. There's a foul. Leanio. Leanio. First personal foul. Second team foul. Resumption of the first quarter of the movie. Last 3 minutes and 5 seconds. Inbound by Ardain. Pass to Vega. Vega setting a play.
Kampante at yan.
Basket count. Who's fouled? Just number 16. Leanio. Second personal foul. 13 foul.
Sarati.
Parlero, good for 1 point. Rebound by Reynacia. Pass to Reynacia. Pass to Masinas. Masinas harassed by Vega. Pass to Reynacia. Turnover. Last 2 minutes and 49 seconds. Saludes. Pass to Vega. Vega pass to Saludes. Back to Vega. Vega pass to Parlero. Parlero drives. He's up. No good. Rebound by turnover. Masinas pass to Samson. Back to Masinas. Last 2 minutes and 35 seconds. Pass to Lopez. Lopez sa tres. No good. Leanio jump. No good. Nakuha ni Saludes. Saludes bumangga. Jump. Good for 2 points. Saludes. Change favor na back ng isa. 1-8-2-6 Papa. Masinas harassed by Vega. Pass to Samson. Shot clock 15. Back to Masinas. Pass to Reynacia. Reynacia drives. No good. Rebound by Reynacia. Double. Last 1 minute and 58 seconds. Reynacia pass to Parlero. There's a foul. Second personal foul winning for penalty.
Sabi siya, anak ko na. Matagas mga yun din yan.
Pass to Leanyo. Leanyo takes John. Good for 2 points. Leanyo deadlock 6 the last 1 minute and 30 seconds. Vega. Shot clock 19. Salute sa press. No good. Nakuha ni Samson. Pass to Lopez. Lopez drives. Lays up. No good to rebound by Vega. Last 1 minute and 13 seconds. Parlero is made by Lopez. Pass to Leanyo sa ilalim. Good for 2 points. Leanyo change favor. Basketballeros. Sarate. Aras by Leanyo. Shot clock 18. Last 57 seconds. Sarate. Pass to Saludes. 52 seconds. Saludes sa ilalim. Single. Shot clock 9. Shot clock 9, Saludes. Pass to Retain. Shot clock 7, pass to Leanyo. Leanyo drive sa bumangga. Nabitawan na bola. Turnover. Last 41 seconds. Sarati. Pass to Paralero. Pass to Vega. Pass to Paralero. Back to Still by Samson. Last 33 seconds. Now running back, there's a foul. Jersey number 17, Samson, the third personal foul to the medal. Samson out, Salamero in. 2-1 shot, 1-2. Vega for his first roll. Good for 1 point. Vega for his last roll, your first ready.
Bawal mo. Hindi, nakaan talaga yan. Di ba
Good. That's 15 seconds. Pass to Parlero. Good for 2 points. Parlero change favor. 34 seconds. Lopez. Nagpapadali. Nagpapadali na bola. Nakuha ni Retain. Pass to Saludes. 15 seconds. Parlero. Good. Break that shot. Still by Saludes. 8 seconds. Vega. Good. 2 minutes. Running time clock. That's 5 seconds. Last 2. Gawin na lang. The second winner of the movie. Inbound by Reynasha. Pass to Gomez. Back to Reynasha. Reynasha drives. Traveling violation committed by Reynasha. Same foot. Inbound by Saludes. Pass to Nasis. Nasis pass to Sarate. Back to Nasis sa gitna. No good. Inbound by Reynasha. Reynasha pass to Leanyo. Leanyo. No good. Nakuha ni Nasis. Harap by Samson. Pass to open up. Tumangga sa ilalim. Good. Inbound by Samson. Pass to Reynasha. Reynasha. Harap by Sarate. Pass to Gomez. Gomez. Pass to Lopez. Shot clock 15. Lopez drives. There is a foul. Retain. Second personal foul. First foul. Last 4 minutes and 14 seconds. 2 volley shots, 1 and 2. Lopez, first throw no good. Shot clock 14. Lopez for his last roll jumpers ready. Good for 1 point. Lopez. Saludes. Shot clock 19. Haras by Leanyo. Shot clock 15. Nasis sa press. No good. Retain. Good for 2 points. Last 3 minutes and 55 seconds. Try na siya. Kung madali, pasulian nyo. No good, rebound by Movida. Pass to Saludes. Last 3 minutes and 40 seconds. Shot clock 18. Nasis, pass to retain. Shot clock 18. Saludes sa 3. No good. Rebound by Reynasia. Pass to Leanyo. Leanyo lays up. No good. Nakuha ni Nasis. Last 3 minutes and 20 seconds. Nasis harap sa by Leanyo. Pass to Obida. Obida. Basket out. Foul. Gomez. First personal foul. First. Restriction of the second white trade-off. Next game of Fusion Division semi-finals, game 1, Palos versus Naibu Waters. One shot, 1-2 for Vida. Good to walk in for Vida. Rebound by Reynasia. Pass to Samson. Samson aras by Nasis. Pass to Gomez. Gomez. There's a foul. Jersey number 5. Sarate first personal foul, second team foul. 2 ball shot, 1-2. Gomez for his first row. Good for 1 point. Gomez. Anim na lang po ang kalabangan. 1-2-6 Mamba. Gomez for his last row. Jumpers ready. Complete shot, 1-2. Gomez. Last 3 minutes and 4 seconds. Nasis. Pass to Sarate. Pass to Obida sa ilalim face. Good for 2 points. Obida. Reynasia. Pass to Gomez. Pass to Lopez. Lopez drives, plays up. Basket out. Foul. Orendain. Third personal foul. Third team foul. Stop it. Orendain out. Aras in. Good for 1 point. Lopez. Inbound by Obida. Pass to Aras. Last 2 minutes and 33 seconds. Obida pass to Lopez. Pass to Sarate. Sarate. Speed to base. Shot clock 20. Obida drives. Stay by Gomez. Pass to Reynasia. Reynasia lays up. Gomez good for 2 points. Gomez last 2 minutes and 14 seconds. Saludes haras by Reynasia. Pass to Nasis. Stay by Leanyo. Turnover. Turnover. Last 2 minutes and 6 seconds.
Dua lang.
Dalawa lang po ang kalabangan. 1-2-6 Mamba. Lopez. Pass to Leanyo. Pass to Gomez. Back to Leanyo. Leanyo aras by Aras. Go! Good for 2 points. Then lock 18. Last 1 minute and 50 seconds. Aras. Ibalat na basahan. Turnover. That's 1 minute and 23 seconds. Lopez. Shot clock 20. Lopez drives. Pass to Leanyo. Face down. There's a foul. Sarate. Sarate second personal foul. 1 for penalty. 2 bonus shot for 1-2. Leanyo. Good for 1 point. Leanyo for his last row jumpers ready. No good, rebound by Obida. Pass to Aras. Pass to Saludes. Saludes. Drive is up. No good. Rebound by Gomez. Pass to Saludes. Pass to Lopez. Is up. Good for 2 points. A change favor. And assist para sa Bayliano. Last 1 minute and 10 seconds. Saludes. Pass by Gomez. Saludes go. Good for 2 points. Saludes. Pass to Gomez. Pass to Lopez. Lopez. Hey ball.
2 point nga ni.
2 points lang.
Hindi lang, nag-empty. Aray ko, tatabugahan naman ako ni Okay.
Last 1 minute. Rebound by Gomez. Pass to Lopez. No good. Samson. Good for 2 points. Samson. 50 seconds. Sarati sa 3. No good. Rebound by Villa. 20 seconds. First personal foul, second team foul. Pass to Saludes. Liano, pass to Sonda, pasa. Nakuha ni Saludes. There's a foul. First personal foul, 30 foul. Lopez. Last 26 seconds. Running for the next game, jersey number 23. Rebound by Saludes. Saved by Gomez. Pass to Reynasha. Reynasha sa 3. No good. Rebound by Aliano. Good for 2 points. Last 15 seconds. Pass to Sarate. 10 seconds. Pass to Saludes. Sa 3. No good. 5 seconds. Obina. Good for 2 points. Lopez sa 3. Good for 3 points. Lopez. Vega. Aras by Masinas. Vega drives. Good for 2 points. Vega. Masinas. Pass to Lopez. Face drives. Good for 2 points. Lopez. Last 4 minutes and 26 seconds. Saludes. Shot clock 15. Obida bumangga sa ilalim. No good. Rebound by Oritain. No good again. Nakuha ni Parlero. Good for 2 points. Parlero. Last 4 minutes and 5 seconds. Pass to Masinas. Masinas. Ganang mapasahan. Nakuha ni Obida. Pass to Saludes. Saludes lays up. Good for 2 points. Saludes. Last 3 minutes and 50 seconds. Pass to Masinas. Masinas. Aras by Saludes. Pass to Liano. Pass to Lopez. 3. Good for 3 points. Lopez. Retain. Pass to Vega. Last 3 minutes and 30 seconds. Pass to Parlero. Back to Vega. Clock 16. Vega has to make a thought. There's a foul. Second personal foul. First team foul. Masinas out. Barcea in. Saludes. Pass to Vega. Shot clock 13. Haras Berenasha. Nakalusot sa gitna. No good. Nakuha ni Leanio. Pass to Berenasha. Berenasha is up. Good. 2 points. Berenasha. Nasa 3 minutes and 10 seconds. Pass to Vega. Pass to Saludes. Tactical. The jersey number 1. Reynasha.
Time out po. 6. Ano na naman dyan?
Ibang Vega. Last na 3 minutes sa shot clock 16. Parlero bumangga. Nala sa ilalim. Rebound by Barcea. Pass to Leanio. Pass to Lopez. Sa 3. Dito good. Rebound by Rendaina. Pass to Vega. Nasa 2 minutes and 35 seconds. Vega pass to Saludes. Back to Vega. Vega pass to Parlero. Jump. No good. Nakuha ni Leanio. Leanio pass to Vega. Leanio pass to Lopez. Pass to Reynasha. Good for 2 points. Reynasha. Saludes. Pass to Vega. Last 16. Vega. Pass to Saludes. Sa 3. No good. There is a foul. Barcea. First personal foul. Second team foul. Parlero for his 2 body shot the first row. No good. Parlero for his last row. Jumpers ready. Good for 1 point. Parlero. Reynasha last 2 minutes and 5 seconds. Reynasha jump. No good. Leanio drives. Grabe yung violation. Pass to Parlero. Grabe yung violation. Sabret. Parlero out. Manasis in. Ibang by Barcea. Pass to Leanio. Leanio. Jump. Good for 2 points. Leanio. Vega. Pass to Vida. Nakuha ni Leanio. Leanio pass to Lopez. Lopez. Pass to Reynasha. Sa 3. No good. Last 1 minute and 28 seconds. Shot clock 10. Last 1 minute and 28 seconds. Reynasha pass to Lopez. Shot clock 9. Lopez pass to Barcea. Fakes. Grabe yung violation. Good for 2 points. Rendaina. Last 1 minute and 10 seconds. Reynasha. 29-32. Reynasha harus Reynasha. Pass to Leanio. Shot clock 15. Pass to third. Good for 2 points. Vega. Pass to Reynasha. 55 seconds. 15 seconds. 15 seconds. Just taken by Lopez. Lopez drives good for 2 points. 15 seconds. Vega. Pass to Nasis. Nasis drives. There's a foul. Who's fouled it? Basea. Second personal foul. 30 foul. One shot, 1 good. Nasis good for 1 point. Nasis for his last jumper 7. Good for 1 point. 13 seconds. Lopez, pass to Basea, pass to Diego, 23 seconds, pass to Lopez, pass to Samson, there's a foul, Rendain, waiting for Bado, frisbee foul. Last 18 seconds. Rendain, waiting for ball out, frisbee foul. You know, good. Samson for his last jumper 7. No good. Nakuha ni Lupita. 15 seconds. Saludes pass to Vega. 10 seconds. 6 seconds. 6 seconds. 6 seconds. Pass to Nasis. 5 seconds. There's a foul. Leandro. Third personal foul. Running for penalty. Last 4 seconds. Pass to Vega. Jersey number 17, foul, Samson, waiting for foul out, penalty situation. Waiting for foul out, penalty situation. 2 seconds. Oh, Peter Corey is the first row for good. Oh, Peter Corey is last row jumper is ready. Basoy na lang. And the third winner of the beginning of the fourth and the final winner of the game. Ibabay Vega, pass to Nasis. Shot clock 16. Vega para sa Bay Gomez na bumangga. Drives! Good for 3 points. Last 4 minutes and 40 seconds. Lopez, pass to Basea. Pass to Lopez. Shot clock 17. Lopez. Pass, shot clock 12. Vega pass to Nasis. Just 4 minutes and 25 seconds. Pass to Saludes bumangga sa ilalim. Good point, 2 points. Leandro, last 4 minutes and 15 seconds. Leandro, there's a foul. Saludes, there's a personal foul, frisbee foul. Leandro, pass to Reynaldo. Shot clock 13, Reinansha John. Good for 2 points, Reinansha. Nasis, pass to Obida. Obida makes basket count. Basea. Third personal foul, first team foul. Obida. Obida points the last row. Reinansha. Third personal foul. Second team foul. Vega, pass to Obida. Sa ilalim. Good for 2 points. Obida. 3 na lang po ang kalabangan. Reinansha. Pass to Gomez sa shot clock 16. Nasa 3 minutes and 37 seconds. Saludes. Shot clock 19. Steal by Basea. Pass to Gomez. Gomez harassed by Obida. There's a foul. Obida first personal foul, second team foul. Sabren, Basea out. Samson in. Last na 3 minutes and 24 seconds. Samson. There's a foul. Nasis first personal foul, third team foul. Last na 3 minutes and 21 seconds. Pass to Liano. Pass to Gomez. Pass to Liano. Good for 2 points. Liano. Vega. Pass to Saludes. Steal by Gomez. Pass to Liano. Drives. Pass to Gomez. Good for 2 points. Gomez. 2 minutes and 55 seconds. Pass to Vega. 2 minutes and 50 seconds. Vega drives pass to Obida. Nakuha ni Saludes sa shot clock 14. Saludes, good for 2 points. Saludes, pass to Reino. Pass to Gomez. Pass to Reinansha John. Good Saludes nasa 2 minutes and 27 seconds. Obida, steal by Reinansha. Pass to Gomez. Nasa 2 minutes and 16 seconds. Time out break. Reinansha. Pass to Gomez. Pass to Liano. Nasa 2 minutes and 9 seconds. Liano. Nasa ilalim ay Saludes ay Samson for 2 points. Nasa 2 minutes. Vega. Bumangga. Pass to Nasis and there's a foul. Who's fouled? Jersey number 17. Samson. Called out 13 foul. Vega. Last 1 minute and 49 seconds. Vega. Pass to Nasis. Good for 2 points. Nasis. Basea. Pass to Reinansha. Pass to Gomez. Last 1 minute and 30 seconds. Shot clock 13. Gomez drives and good enough. Pass to Nasis. 126 seconds. Nasis pass to Vega, pass to Obida. Obida sa ilalim. Good for 2 points. Obida last 120 seconds. Pass to Gomez, pass to Leyenyo. Last 115 seconds. Pass to Lopez, shot clock 15. Shot clock 9. Pass to Reynansha. Shot clock 5. Reynansha. Good. Last 58 seconds. Last 48 seconds.
Mag-spin siya, nagpapantayan.
Hilo mo na!
Pahlero. Steal by Lopez. Pass to Gomez. Last 50 seconds.
Aray ko.
Vega. First personal foul. Running for penalty. Last 46 seconds. Pass to Leyenyo. There's a foul. Obida. Second personal foul. Penalties. 2 ball just 1-2. Lopez. 42 seconds. No good. Reynansha. Pass to Gomez. Salutes sa 3. No good. Rebound by Obida. Obida good for 2 points. Last 23 seconds. Foul. And who's foul red? Vega. First and second personal foul penalty situation. Last 22 seconds. Time. Beginning of the fourth and final quarter of the resumption of the fourth and final. Last 22 seconds. Lopez. Good. Lopez first. Ballers. Reserve timeout pag nag-shoot.
Pakapit po. Maalis ako.
Pass to running for ball, running for penalty. Let's